a gentle spirit, and a faith that can stand even when it cannot see. You have wondered why the road became so quiet, why prayers seemed to go unanswered, and why doors closed just as you were about to arrive. Now, I will tell you the mystery. The silence was not rejection, rather, it was a preparation. If this message has touched your spirit, I invite you to respond in faith by commenting Amen. Share it with someone who needs hope today. Subscribing so you never miss a word from heaven, because your support helps spread my message further and further, and helps care for those in need. And in doing so, you became part of the work I am doing in the world. Subscribe this channel and turn on notification to get daily God message videos. Amen.